Have you ever wondered what you should actually be doing during your first month on YouTube? Do you have your cuppa before we start? Because in today's video, I'm going to give you a simple 30-day YouTube roadmap that I'd follow if I was starting all over again in 2026. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do during your first month, what to ignore, and why you don't need to become an influencer to build an online income. Here on One Video Income, we help beginners, side hustlers, aspiring YouTubers, small business owners, and people over 50 create retirement wealth by generating affiliate leads and recurring income in under 90 minutes a week using just one targeted YouTube video. And if you'd like to shortcut the learning curve, together a free masterclass that shows you exactly how to use one targeted YouTube video. You don't need hundreds of videos. You don't need expensive cameras. You don't need a Hollywood studio in your spare bedroom. They search YouTube because they need answers, and if your video becomes the answer, you've already won half the battle. Don't buy every tool. Now here's another mistake I made. I spent an absolute fortune listening to so-called experts. Every week there seemed to be another magic software, another secret system, another course promising overnight riches. Looking back, the only people getting rich were the people selling the courses. Sound familiar? It certainly did to me. Save your money. Start simple. A computer, a microphone if you already own one, a willingness to learn, that's enough. As your business grows, then upgrade, not before. Because equipment doesn't build businesses, consistency does. Week 1 homework. By the end of your first week, I'd like you to have your channel created, your branding completed, your niche decided. Check a list of at least 30 video ideas based on real questions your audience is already asking. Notice, I haven't asked you to upload 10 videos or buy expensive software or spend thousands on advertising. There's a reason for that, because next, we're going to build something far more valuable than subscribers. And this is where almost every beginner goes wrong. Don't forget your cuppa. I'll show you exactly what I mean. Week 2. Now that you've laid the foundations, it's time to create your first video. Notice I said video, not dozens of them. One of the biggest myths on YouTube is that you have to upload every single day. You don't. In fact, I'd much rather see you publish one excellent video each week than 7 rushed videos that nobody watches. Quality beats quantity almost every time. Now here's the trick. Don't make videos about what you want to talk about. Make videos about what your audience is already searching for. There's a huge difference. For example, instead of creating a video called My Affiliate Marketing Journey, create one called How to Start Affiliate Marketing in 2026 or Best Email Marketing Platform for Beginners. See the difference? The first title is about you, the others are about solving somebody else's problem. And that's what gets found. Learn to search before you shoot. Here's something I still do before recording every single video. I open YouTube. I start typing my topic into the search bar. Then I look at the autocomplete suggestions. Those suggestions aren't random. They're real searches from real people. It's YouTube telling you exactly what your audience wants. That's free market research. Write them down. Build yourself a list. Before long, you'll have months of video ideas, and you'll never sit there wondering, what should I make next? Keep your workflow simple. Now don't fall into another trap, thinking every video needs fancy editing, animated graphics, cinema quality cameras, or dramatic music. Honestly, people come to YouTube for answers, not Hollywood. Clear audio, good lighting, helpful information, that's enough. Remember, your first videos won't be perfect. Mine certainly weren't. I met someone who had the patience to work with me, someone who understood that I wasn't particularly technical, someone who explained things step by step. That changed everything. I finally began understanding how internet marketing actually worked. Eventually, I built an income using paid advertising. Things were going brilliantly. The company I relied on decided they would no longer support my country. After 3 years of a good income, it disappeared. It was a horrible feeling. But sometimes the biggest setbacks point you towards something better. For me, that something was YouTube. No paying for clicks, no worrying about advertising costs increasing. Instead, creating content that continues working long after you've published it. And that's one of the reasons I'm so passionate about this today, because if it helped me rebuild, it can help you too. If you're enjoying this roadmap so far, and you'd like to shortcut the learning curve, a free masterclass that walks you through a simple system has been put together. It shows you exactly how to use one targeted YouTube video to generate leads, build an email list, and create recurring affiliate income. Just click the first link in the description below. Right, don't forget your cuppa, because we're about to cover what I believe is the most important week of all. Week 3. Now we're getting to the stage where most people make a huge mistake. They become obsessed with numbers, subscribers, views, watch time, likes, comments. Now don't get me wrong, those things are useful, but they're not the most important numbers. The most important question you should be asking yourself is, am I helping people? Because if you're solving problems consistently, the views will come, the subscribers will come, and eventually so will the income. One thing I recommend during your third week is spending a little time studying your own videos. Which titles attracted the most clicks? Which thumbnails made people curious? Which videos kept people watching? Don't guess, learn from your own audience. Every video teaches you something, even the ones that don't perform particularly well. Remember, you're not trying to become perfect, you're simply becoming a little better with every upload. Week 4 now, by the 4th week, you'll have something incredibly valuable. Not just a video, you'll have data. This is where many people panic. One video gets 50 views, another gets 500, another hardly gets seen at all. That's perfectly normal. Don't start changing everything after one disappointing result. Instead, look for patterns. Did a certain topic perform better? Did a particular thumbnail attract more clicks? Did viewers watch longer when you explained something step by step? That's the information that helps you improve. YouTube isn't looking for perfection, it's looking for consistency. Keep showing up, keep helping people, keep improving. That's the game. The biggest lesson I've learned. Looking back, one of the best decisions I ever made was refusing to give up. I'm 87. People often ask me, Ken, why are you still learning all this technology? The answer is simple, because learning keeps your brain alive. Every new skill, every new video, every challenge, it's exercise for the mind. I still sit with my iPad beside me, sometimes the old computer I didn't dump, watching step-by-step tutorials. I'll pause the video, try it myself on my new computer which is 4 years old, replay it if I need to, then carry on. There is absolutely nothing wrong with learning at your own pace. In fact, I think more people should. That's why I value the good training library so highly. Being able to pause, rewind, replay, and follow along step by step has probably taught me more than anything else. It means I never have to rely on memory alone or keep asking the same question. I simply follow the instructions, take action, and move forward. And that's exactly what I'd encourage you to do. Don't worry about becoming an expert overnight. Become a little better this week than you were last week, then repeat before we finish. If you'd like to shortcut years of trial and error, having put together a free masterclass that walks you through the complete system, it shows you exactly how to use one targeted YouTube video to generate leads, build an email list, and create recurring affiliate income. Simply click the first link in the description below and get instant access. Let's recap your 30-day YouTube roadmap. Week 1, build your foundations, choose your niche, understand who you're helping, create your channel correctly. Week 2, start publishing helpful videos that solve real problems. Don't chase perfection, focus on consistency. Week 3, study your audience, improve your titles, improve your thumbnails, learn from every upload. Week 4, review your analytics, spot the patterns, keep refining your content. Most importantly, don't quit. Remember, this isn't a race. It's about building an asset that can continue generating leads and income for years to come. That's why I love YouTube. One good video today can still be working for you next year, and that's a pretty exciting thought. Now, quick sip of your cuppa, because the next step is where everything starts coming together. Now that you've built your YouTube roadmap for the first 30 days, the next thing you'll want to learn is how to turn one targeted YouTube video into a complete affiliate marketing system that generates leads and recurring income. That's exactly what is in One Video Income, Retirement Income in 90 minutes per week. Click the video that's appearing on your screen now. Stay well and safe, and I'll see you there. TTFN. That means ta-ta for now.